Welcome to How to Fix South Africa YouTube channel. Subscribe and share. The channel who speaks about solutions for our beloved country. In this 25th video we will focus on what happens to South Africa if they lose the trade agreements with the West. South Africa has extensive trade agreements with the West, including the European Union, EU, the United States, US, and other developed economies. Losing these trade agreements would have significant economic consequences for the country. 1. Reduction in exports. South Africa is a significant exporter of agricultural products, minerals, and manufactured goods to the West. Losing trade agreements with these countries would mean that South African products would face higher tariffs and trade barriers, making them less competitive in international markets. This could lead to a reduction in exports and a decline in economic growth. 2. Loss of investment. Many Western companies have invested in South Africa, attracted by its skilled workforce, natural resources, and favorable business environment. Losing trade agreements could reduce investor confidence and lead to a decline in foreign investment, further slowing economic growth. 3. Increase in prices. Losing trade agreements could lead to an increase in prices for goods imported from the West, as South African consumers would have to pay higher tariffs and import fees. This could lead to inflation and a decline in consumer purchasing power. 4. Risk of isolation. Losing trade agreements with the West could leave South Africa more isolated in the global economy, reducing its ability to participate in global trade and finance. This could have longer-term consequences for the country's economic and political stability. Overall, losing trade agreements with the West would have serious economic consequences for South Africa. The country would need to seek new trade partners and develop alternative strategies to support economic growth and development. However, it is important to note that the likelihood of South Africa losing all of its trade agreements with the West is low, as these agreements are mutually beneficial and support economic growth and development in both South Africa and Western countries. Make sure you leave your like for us to get to more people. We count on you to make the change and be an active citizen in the South African society. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.